What's up guys? Welcome back to JV's Food Adventures. It's me, JV. Today I have another very special episode for you. I know last time you guys liked watching me and my friends cook, so I brought another friend, Ethan. Tell me a little about yourself.
Hey guys, Ethan Joel. I'm a certified sommelier. Very excited to be on the show today with my good man, JV. We used to work together and we've been talking about getting here on the episode for a while now. So super excited to be here. We got a little beef stroganoff we're going to be preparing for you today. And we got a nice Shiraz Australian. Shiraz is actually Syrah. It's going to be Shiraz in Australia and also New Zealand. It's known for its astringent, its tannins, and that was really cuts through the meat and cuts through these heavier dishes. So picking a nice tannic wine is key and essential to a nice beef dish.
So first things first, we're going to get into making the beef stroganoff. Either cut something up, make some noodles,
maybe
some
pour a glass of wine and relax and watch you do that. That's more my thing.
That's the easy part. We won't let them get away that easy. We won't let them get away. So we're gonna cut this meat up, we're gonna season it, and then we're gonna get it cooking. So now that we're cutting in small cubes, we want to make sure the pieces are consistent. You want consistent pieces when you're making cubes. If it's not consistent, your meat is gonna cook unevenly. You're gonna have one piece that's gonna be super nice, moist. Another piece maybe still be raw. So we got some salt here in my hand. I simply just some regular table salt. see my busted ass container, but just some regular salt. Put it in my hand first. I want to kind of control how much salt I put. So we're gonna start off, just sprinkle it over the top. Make sure you sprinkle it high. This way you get it even, no clumps, falls, and you don't have salty bites in your food. Just a little more. Now that we add our salt, we're gonna add our pepper. Like I said, just regular black pepper. We're not doing anything fancy. We really want the flavors to come through, but we're not gonna get crazy with it. Okay, you want to get a decent amount so you can pick it up and you sprinkle it over the top, and then we just sprinkle. Then we have our onion powder here, same exact thing. Just go sprinkle it over the top. Make sure you get a nice and even sprinkle. Secret weapon here, this cayenne pepper is really gonna enhance the flavor of beef stroganoff. It's gonna give it a slight kick, nothing too crazy. If you don't like spicy, take it out. All the ingredients will be in the description below, and you can edit it how you want, but I guarantee this way it's gonna be just as delicious and it won't be spicy. So here we go, just a little in my hand. We're gonna sprinkle it over the top once again. So now that we sliced up our meat, we seasoned it. My boy Ethan here, see how I get down with the seasoning. It's no light seasoning over here. We have flavor to everything.
Flavor.
Okay? Everything we do. So now I'm gonna have Ethan cut some stuff up. Like I said, we're not gonna let him get off easy. He's gonna slice these onions up, mushrooms. I'll take care of the garlic because it's my show, so I do the easier thing. You know what I mean? So Ethan, you're gonna go ahead and cut this onions.
I did say I am the wine guy, so don't judge my my techniques. Wax out, right? Let's do it. Alright guys, so I'm getting the mushrooms out. We're gonna slice these up. Yeah, I'm loving this little Miyagi. Try not to slice a finger off over here. Now that we're done with the mushrooms, we're gonna hop in to your mother's onion over here. It's back, baby. So, my brother actually is a chef, and he told me this thing one time: if you don't cut off these little ends right here, it doesn't make you cry. Don't know if it's true, but I'm gonna give it a shot. When I like to cut an onion, I slice it down in the back here, and I leave a little bit so the onion stays intact while I do the final touch. All right, Jay, show me how it's done, baby. Come on. Hey, we get the onion chopped, all right? Come on, it's chopped, all right?
I don't want to eat this.
I came to the show to learn. Alright, I'm here to learn.
Then I seen the knife cut. If you want to eat this in your beef stroganoff, then go ahead. Almost.
He interrupted me. I wasn't done.
So, ladies and gentlemen, I'll show you how I chop the onions, and then we're gonna get a close-up so we can compare whose onions look better chopped and what you want in your beef stroganoff. I'm slicing the sides here to get some like nice uniform slices, and make sure you go all the way down. Ooh. I still leave this part a little open. So what are you doing when you do these cross-hatching methods? That you create like little squares. So when you chop it, they're nice and small, depending if you want large size, small size, and you avoid this. So here we go. Gonna finish it up. Get some nice cubes to go in our beef stroganoff here. Woo! I mean, I'm professional. So here you have mine, which is more unison, a little smaller. This way you just want the flavor of the onions. And then you have the Ethan's here. It's more for a New York style wiener or something where you want to get that bite of the onion along with
crunch action.
You're gonna be crunchy for days. Okay, as you saw, Ethan's knife skills are a preference. You know, depends on what you like to do and how fast you like to cook. It's all up to you, but beef stroganoff, we're gonna use small onions today. So I had to take it away from him. So now I'm gonna chop the garlic. Get my hand here, I'm gonna smash down the garlic. It's gonna relieve most of those garlic cloves and just gonna chop it up from there. So now that we've broken the cloves down to little pieces, we're gonna go ahead and slice them and add them to our mixture that we have here on the bowl with our onions and mushrooms. Now guys, that we have all our mise en place ready, we got the onions, garlic, mushrooms, and then we have our beef here. It's time to start cooking things off so we can finish our meal, so we can eat it and enjoy this beautiful day. I mean, it's sunny in California. It's almost summertime. Summertime, we eat, we drink, hang out with friends, we have a lot of fun. And so before we get into that, we gotta get this cooked off so we can eat. So,
what we've been waiting for. I'm getting excited now. So guys, now we are getting ready to throw the mushrooms, onions, and garlic into the mix and really get this party started.
As you can see in the back, I got my guy Ethan stirring up that beef stroganoff with the mushrooms and the beef in there. All that liquid inside the pot has reduced. There's literally no more moisture, so that meat and those onions and the mushrooms are nice and caramelized, nice and brown. I'm gonna go ahead and add some beef stock to the pot, along with this onion soup mix to really kick up the flavor a notch. Come on over.
Jesus, is this child-proof or something? God damn it, Jay, what are you buying?
Look at this guy, look at these guns, and he still can't open it. Okay, let me show you how. No, it's a real man, okay? Look, you gotta listen to it. It's talking to me. You hear that? It says, open it. Boom, got it. Bam, look. Walk away. But now we're gonna add our beef stock to the pot and add all these delicious flavors in there from the beef stock. Okay, so now we add almost all our components to this dish. We're gonna add the sour cream. It's gonna add a tangy, a creaminess. So, now we have that beef stroganoff simmering on the stove. We have that beef broth. We have the sour cream. You wanna let it simmer, because when it simmers, it's gonna retain all those delicious flavors, be nice and creamy, and you'll be able to add it with that pasta. So let's go ahead and check on our sauce, make sure it's ready so we can finally eat. We're just finishing up now. The beef stroganoff tastes amazing.
Oh, I'm ready to just get it on a plate already, goddammit. Let's drop these noodles in, let's get this
Let's do it. Alright, so we just pop it open, drop it in the hot water that we have boiling in the back with some salt, and then we're just gonna cook it until it's ready. Okay guys, we're all done making the beef stroganoff. We added all the delicious flavors. We let it simmer down so that sour cream makes that creaminess with the beef and the mushrooms. Now we're just gonna kind of combine everything here. Gonna combine the pasta, the beef, all in this pan here. Gonna plate it up and then hit some cheese on top. This is our jalapeno pepper jack. Oh yeah, it's gonna be so freaking good. Okay, so here we go. So we're gonna get our liquid here. And we're gonna add it all in there. Oh man.
Oh yeah. So we're gonna go ahead, taste out the wine, see if I did a good job pairing it. I already know Jay did a good job today because I may have tasted out a little bit, but we'll see if we can work out together.
Let's do it.
We have a good lunch today for us.
I'm excited for this wine.
Here we go.
I'm trying to get you drunk. It's only the first date.
Yeah, don't be lying. This ain't our first date. Okay guys, so the beef stroganoff and the wine are a perfect pairing. They're really complementing each other. We tried the wine without the beef stroganoff and it was a bit hot, it was a bit acidic. The beef stroganoff really complements it, so I think the pairing is out of this world. We're really enjoying it. Now let's go back to enjoying our food.
That's good. This is gonna go great with the pasta.
Oh, I'm diving in.
Go ahead. I'm gonna enjoy the good stuff. That's some hot wine there. You can taste the alcohol content right off the bat. That's why I made this dish here.
Guys, cook this food, get this wine, and have yourself a great dinner, impress a lady.
I have to say, this wine balance is perfect.
Thank you, Jay. Thanks for having me.
Hey, pleasure, man. Guys, you know what to do. If you like the video, make sure you like the video. Even if you didn't like it anyway, because it showed me a lot of love and support. And if you really like it, make sure you subscribe, share with your family and friends. Got a handsome guy on the show today. Tell all your friends about it. I'm always here.
You can follow me at wine_jet. If you want to learn about wine, ask any questions. I'm always giving out pairings on Sunday. You'll see I'll be posting this Sunday about mine and Jay's experience today. Cheers.